A pioneer in Japanese interior design, with more than 60 years of experience, Sangetsu is working hard to research and develop a variety of new products in line with today's diversifying lifestyles. Today, we'd like to introduce Reatec. Reatec is a flexible PVC decorative film that can be used in architectural decoration, on doors, pillars, furniture, and more. With its self-adhesive layer on the backside, just stick it on and your new style is ready to go. Reatec requires the smallest effort to have the largest effect. Reatec features more than 1,500 designs inspired by natural materials and various decorative designs. Reatec achieves a finish so close to the original material, you'll be surprised when you try to compare them. It's suitable for so many places, such as elevator doors and cars, doors, pillars, partitions, furniture finishes, counters, and more, not to mention on walls. With Reatec's colorful combinations, the range of potential designs is endless. Unify a room's look or bring an old one back to life. It's the ideal product for renovations. There are 3 reasons why Reatec is a great replacement for original materials. Reatec is much more cost-efficient compared to real wood or stone, with the same look and texture available at a fraction of the price. Also, it's as simple as sticking it on top of existing surfaces, so the time needed for renovations and the downtime it brings is heavily reduced. Reatec has led hotels and stores to keep their renovation downtime to a minimum. Reatec is applied on top of existing surface material, preventing the unnecessary production of new products using valuable resources, as well as reducing waste matter. A hotel in the United States was able to reduce its costs by almost 2/3, construction time by 16 days, and waste material by 18 tons. Reatec can be applied on-site, and some types are suitable for both indoor and outdoor locations. Thanks to its high durability, stain, and chemical resistance, it is possible to keep the beautiful finish in top condition. Reatec's beautiful looks and textures are the product of several stages, from a design and development phase to PVC substrate production, embossing, lamination, and so on. These processes create a product with high quality and designability. Reatec has been used in a variety of places. The new solution, producing attractive spaces. Reatec.